Welcome to the Nestle Acosta menu ideation session. My name is Anthony Marola, and I'm the Business Development Manager for the Southeast for Acosta Sales and Marketing Food Service.
Hi, I'm Alan Gazaway. I'm the Corporate Executive Chef for Nestle Professional. Today we're going to show you some innovative, healthy recipes utilizing our Miner's ready-to-use sauces and also our flavor concentrates.
Nestle is a leader in good-for-you nutrition, and today we're going to show you that good-for-you nutrition by incorporating a lot of these sauces and concentrates in some healthy, high-protein, good-for-you carb recipe ideas. We utilize a nutritional compass that clearly helps define the nutritional values of the recipes that we're putting out today. Similar to what you're doing right now with your green is some good-for-you, go and eat anytime type of foods, and red, meaning they're a little bit more indulgent.
We're going to take you through 10 recipes that have bold flavors, high protein, and good-for-you carbs. Nestle believes in one mantra: good food, good life.
On behalf of Nestle Food Services and Acosta Sales and Marketing, I want to say thank you. Thank you for keeping us safe, for keeping us protected, and for all the things that you do day in and day out. Hope you enjoy these video clips.